Hey parents, today we're reviewing our lesson on decomposing numbers from 11 to 20. So what you're going to have your kiddo do first today is just review all the concepts that we've talked about for the last week and a half. So today is going to be a hands-on activity. You can do a couple of things with that. You can use some counting cubes like this, and if you don't have these, that's okay. You could use beans, you could use pennies, anything, buttons, anything that your kiddo can count. Okay, I'm also going to be using an egg carton today. So I've cut an egg carton into a 10 frame. So there's 5 here and 5 here. And we're going to be using 2 of these today to be able to do some hands-on math for our review. So what you're going to have your kiddo do first is you're going to have them write their numbers starting at number 11. So we're going to write 11. How do you make an 11? A 1 and a 1. Okay, then you're going to have your kiddo show you how to make an 11 in a 10 frame. So you're going to want to use 2 colors. So I'm going to use these 2 colors today, orange and white. And I know you probably don't have these, and that's okay. Like I said, if you want to use pennies and buttons, whatever you have. So they'll count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we always want to have them start by breaking it into 2 parts. The first part is always going to be filling our 10 frame with 10. So 10 in my first part. Okay. How many more do I need to add to make 11? We need 1 more. So your kiddo will know that 10 plus 1 makes 11. You can even add the equals sign in here, and you can have them read their sentence. 11 equals 10 plus 1, whole, part. Okay, so you're going to do this all the way through numbers through 20. So after you do it with 11, you're going to do it again. You'll have them write the next number. Say what comes after 11. We're going to make a 12. A 1 and a 2 is how we make 12. Same thing. You can have them leave that 10 in that 10 frame. Some kids will know that they don't have to add anything in there again, and you'll just see, they'll just say, oh, I need 1 more. Some kids will need to actually redo this whole 10 frame to be able to have that concept out, mapped out for them. So same thing. How did we make 12? Well, we had 10 in this 10 frame. We had 2 in this 10 frame. 10, plus 2 is how we make 12. So we're going to read our math sentence now. 12 equals 10 plus 2. You might have kiddos who want to write it this way. Okay, and when we're decomposing numbers, they have to do the whole first. When we're making numbers, they have to do the part first. So because we're decomposing today, that means we're starting with the whole. You're going to want to make sure that they get decomposed and write it backwards. Okay, so that's it. You'll go all the way up to number 20. So have them write all their numbers all the way up to 20. And then you'll be done for today. There's no worksheet practice.